On average, rental homes earned around $41,000 in annual rental revenue for homeowners. That is beyond the tax advantages, asset enhancement, and freedom of mobility owning more real estate can bring to a household. Even in today's market, where it seems like big corporations are swiping up properties left and right, purchasing a second home is a reliable and lucrative passive income source. You can streamline the entire operation with some help from a property management company and a knowledgeable bookkeeper. Let's dig into how using this asset to create wealth is one of the best ways to create long-term financial security. Most financial gurus will tell you to invest in stocks or ETFs. These provide long-term results and can generate higher returns, but do not have the same flexibility and asset control. Put another way, there will always be demand for housing in the United States. After all, that is why our tax code is written to benefit those creating businesses and housing the most. Unlike active income, which is tied to the number of hours you have in a day, passive income from real estate makes money while you sleep. You set the income to expense ratio and then slap a price tag on your monthly, weekly, or daily rental to earn a profit. Having a second home as an investment property offers a wealth of perks to the homeowner. This is a cash-generating asset that provides capital appreciation. In most situations, real estate will appreciate in value over time. This is a long-term view of the asset, but it is more likely to remain stable than other riskier vehicles. Rental income. Over 35% of all U.S. households rely on rental properties. That doesn't include the over 60 million people who stay in the U.S. using short-term vacation properties like Airbnbs. Tax benefits. Depending on the region of the U.S. in which you operate, you can experience significant tax deductions and benefits from a second home. That is especially the case if you are using this investment property as a part-time business. Portfolio diversity. Remember the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? That applies to wealth building just as much as grocery shopping. You want a mix of short and long-term plus low and high-risk assets. Adding a second home offers a low-risk, long-term passive income source. And finally, freedom. With the right team and systems in place, you can operate a vacation rental from anywhere on the globe. This could be your answer to traveling and having a reliable passive income that replaces a full-time job. Here are some of the things people are looking for in a short-term vacation rental. Location. Beachfront, lake access, or locations near major events and amenities like a theme park or concert venue brings in the highest revenue. The opposite side of that coin is equally important. Those in remote areas where city dwellers can get a break from noise and pollution. Property type. This will depend on your region, but in general, a freestanding home is more valuable than an apartment you rent. That is because potential renters want to find pools, game rooms, parking, Wi-Fi, and other amenities typically not available in an apartment setting. Financials. Always take a close look at the cost/benefit analysis of the property you're considering. Using a resource like AirDNA will give you a better idea of your potential passive income. Then, you need to run the numbers of expenses, mortgage, taxes, and general upkeep items like toilet paper. Ease of maintenance. A rental property will require maintenance issues. Will you be handling those issues yourself, or will you be hiring out a team? Is there anyone near your potential second home that can offer those services? These are all things you need to consider. In 2022, Airbnb made over $8.4 billion in revenue according to the SEC. That is primarily from fees collected from rental properties. As you consider how you will build future wealth, prepare for retirement, and maintain cash flow, owning a second home to generate reliable passive income has been and will most likely always be a staple of intelligent investing. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your source for all things country homes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again and stay tuned for the next video.